In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord screen share error 2012. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Discord screen share error is usually tied to connection, permission, or encoding issues inside Discord. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So the first fix is to restart Discord, then run it as admin. So open up Discord again, but we want to right click it and click on run as administrator. So now this is going to fix your permission conflicts with screen capture. Now next fix is to go ahead and disable hardware acceleration. So we want to go ahead and click on the user settings, do a search for hardware acceleration like so, and that's under appearance. We want to go ahead and disable this. Another fix we can try is restart voice and video settings. So we want to go ahead and come back to this screen, then do a search for voice and video. Then from here, we need to reset our voice settings. So that's right at the bottom of the page here. So go ahead and return the default voice settings. So click on OK. Also, another fix is check the internet stability. So error 2012 often happens when your connection drops or spikes. So avoid any VPNs running in the background or proxies, restart your router, or even switch between your Wi-Fi and Ethernet if possible, or even mobile data. Now the last fix here is to go ahead and clear your Discord cache. So click on your Windows key and R. Now we need to type this in here, explorer.exe space app data. Click on OK. Then we need to open up the Discord folder. So look for Discord. Here it is here. From here, we want to go ahead and delete 3 things inside. So cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Click on delete. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest reinstalling Discord. So go to your add or remove programs, go ahead and remove Discord and re-download it if you don't have the exe, and then set it back up, restart your PC.